Hello viewers. Without wasting any time, first of all, I'm going to show you my videos one by one. Watch closely, observe the motion, and pay attention to how the characters speak.
He was born weak in a world of strength.
Pain came faster than progress.
Alright viewers, I hope you've watched all my videos. Now, the channel I just showed you is called Baidur Film, and it's an extremely popular and successful channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to YouTube. After opening YouTube, search for the channel name BYDR, also known as Baidur Film. As you can see, I'm now on the channel. This channel has around 3.25 million subscribers, and they've uploaded only about 218 videos. They also upload regular videos along with shorts. Now, if I click on their short section, viewers, you can see that many of their videos have 100+ million views. Let me scroll down and show you one by one. The views are insane. Honestly, my eyes got tired scrolling, but their views never drop below millions. This clearly means that this channel is performing exceptionally well. Their niche is highly trending and extremely viral. So I thought, why not work on this niche myself and upload similar content on my own channel? I'm confident viewers will love it. Now, one of the biggest questions you might have is this channel monetized or not? So what I'll do is copy their channel link and open Social Blade, a very popular analytics website. I'll paste the link here, and as you can see, the channel is showing strong earnings. Their estimated monthly earnings range from around $1.1 to $18K, and yearly earnings can go up to $273K to $4.4 million. You can even check their daily earnings. For example, on Sunday, they earned around $19. This means the channel is consistently generating income. So overall, this channel is performing extremely well, getting massive views and earning really good money. Alright viewers, now let's move on to the next step. As you can see, I've already created a master prompt. The best part is, everything is included in this single prompt. Characters, scenes, styles, everything is perfectly structured. All you have to do is simply copy this master prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Before that, I recommend you read through it once to understand how well it's organized step by step. Now, without wasting time, copy all the prompts, open ChatGPT, paste the master prompt, and click on Generate. Within seconds, you'll get 10 image prompts and 10 video prompts ready without doing any hard work. My master prompt will be available in the description. You can easily copy it from there. As you can see, all prompts are generated one by one, including characters, 2D style, and everything else perfectly structured. Alright viewers, now let's move on to text to image and image to video. Today I'll be using a viral AI tool that is currently trending, and the best part is, it's 100% free. So let's move on to that tool. Alright viewers, now you need to open the website called Flow AI. As you already know, this platform is 100% free. You don't have to spend any money, and it even provides you with daily credits. Now viewers, as you can see here, there's a create option. Before clicking on it, let me quickly explain something. This platform includes multiple AI tools developed by Google, such as Risk AI and Flow AI. Today, we're going to work specifically with Flow AI. So go ahead and click on Create, and then click on New Project. Once you open a new project, you'll see both image and video options available. For images, it uses 0 credits, and for videos, it only takes around 20 credits. Now I'll click on the image option. Here, I'll select the Nano Banana Pro model. After that, I'll copy my first prompt, paste it here, and click on the Generate button. As you can see, my first image has started generating. It will take around 1 minute. And now you can see my first image is ready. Just look at the quality. It's absolutely amazing, and it even follows a storytelling style. Now let's move to the next one. I'll click on X1 because this model generates images even faster and with better quality. Now, I'll copy the second prompt, paste it here, click on Generate, wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, my second image is ready in high quality HD. Next, I'll copy the third prompt, paste it, and click Generate again. And here we go. The third image is also ready, with a very cool and detailed character, exactly according to my prompt. Now, I'll repeat the same process for the fourth image. Copy, paste, generate, wait a bit. And as you can see, the fourth image is also ready. Alright viewers, this tool is honestly very powerful and impressive. So, without wasting your time, I'll quickly paste all my remaining prompts one by one and generate all the images. As you can see, all the images are now ready, and just look at the quality. Each image is beautifully designed and follows a complete story. Now what you need to do is download your favorite scenes one by one, because in the next step, I'll show you how to convert these images into videos. So go ahead, download all your images, and then we'll move on to the image to video section. Alright viewers, now go to the video option and select your preferred resolution and settings. Next, I'll select my first image from here. Now we'll go back to the prompt section. As you can see, ChatGPT has already provided both the video prompt and the voiceover. So I'll copy the first video prompt, paste it here, and click on the Generate button. This process usually takes around 1 to 2 minutes. Let's wait. And now you can see my first image to video is ready, along with the voiceover. Just look at this. It's incredibly smooth, highly engaging, and generated in a very professional way. The motion, the character animation, and the voiceover, everything looks amazing. Now let's move on to the next one. I'll select my second image, copy the corresponding prompt from ChatGPT, paste it here, and click on Generate. After waiting for about 1 to 2 minutes, you can see that my second video is also ready. And honestly, this looks even better. You can clearly notice the character movement and the perfectly synced voiceover. Go ahead and download this video as well. Now I'll upload my third image, the one I want to convert into video. I'll select the option, paste the prompt again, and click on Generate. This will be my final example, since by now you already understand how to generate both images and videos. After waiting for another 1 to 2 minutes, you can see that my final video is also ready. And again, the quality is absolutely amazing, with great character visuals and smooth animation. I'll download this one too. Now, as you can see, all the image to video results are incredibly impressive, and the images we generated earlier were also top quality. And believe it or not, it only took me around 15 to 20 minutes to create both the images and the videos. I hope you really enjoyed today's video and learned something valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.